I'm going to try to put this on video. See if I can put it on the Samba site somehow. Maybe someone can help me how to do that. Either transfer it to YouTube or some other venue. Anyway, I just want to show everyone how much of a hassle I'm having with these lights. The problem in question is the left turn signal light. If you can see, these are the small turn signal. The small turn signal. Whatchamacallit. There were large ones here. I didn't like the way they looked, so I just switched them around. And all I did was transfer the filament wires. They were single, and I put the double so I can use the 1157s bulbs, and I did that on the other side. I didn't have too much of a hassle with it. That was simple. That one works fine. For whatever reasons, I couldn't do it on this side, and that was the problem. These are what I use to transfer the single to the doubles. That was an easy thing to do, although I'm not too sure it was a smart thing to do. Putting them in the cases or the this apparatus. The words are eluding me right now. I'm just kind of a little pissed when I'm trying to figure this out. And right now they seem to be working. Here is my, oh Lord, these are my auxiliary lights. They work great. Those are I did those just in case I had any issues with these lights, because I didn't before. Those lights were there when I got the buggy. You can see the mess that's in there. Those were also there. I'm leaving them there until next year. I can lift the body off and get myself a new set or a cleaner set of wires and do that, because everything works fine. I just don't like the way it looks. Anyway, this is what's underneath that setup for the bulbs. If you can see, that's the way they're linked. Okay, so you got, let's see if I can edge this out here. You got power here transferred to the bulb up here and this side here, and everything else is connected through the negatives of the bulbs, and everything else seems to be working just fine. It just does not look pretty. I don't like the way it looks. And the bulb is holding fine. So I'm going to turn these on. So excuse my trying to move this slowly. And let me turn this on so you can see. There you go. And that's one side. And this is left turn signal's working, and right turn signal's working. The rear ones are working as well. Let me show you. Right and left. Right, left, and when I turn these off, I pull the switch, is what kept happening before. Those are working as well. Those are the running lights. Front, and I cover everything up. My garage is so dusty. The running lights seem to be okay. Yep, if you can see. Alright. The auxiliary lights. Now, if I turn this turn signals on, oh, happy me, they're working. I can't believe it. Well, the right side it is working, but you can barely see it. So, and the lights, the headlights are working fine. So, the flashers seem to be working fine. Everything seems to be working okay. And now for the auxiliary lights. They are very bright. At night you could see them for half a mile. So I got those set up just in case. Those are the auxiliary lights, hazard lights. And of course I have turn signals as well. Left. Right. The rear ones are working fine. So that's on the YouTube. Well, I'm going to try to put this on YouTube and show everyone what I've been doing here. This I'm going to put the put the hood back on, put the tank in, put the hood back on. I'm trying to put this this wiper mechanism. It doesn't look like much fun to put in there. I'm going to try that hopefully today. And like I said, I'm trying to put this on the Samba site so maybe people can see this. It's either that or Facebook. So if you guys can manage to look at this. All right. So that's my new steering setup. This thing has an E-Pass setup, electric power steering. I still got a few little bugs to do to get out, so, but it works great. So if you want your buggies on an E-Pass setup, that's the best thing to do, man. I know a lot of people say, why would you want a electric power steering on a dune buggy? And I say, why not? They put them on the rails, and the guys just love it. So my buggy's dirty, filthy, yucky, icky. So please, any comments? Feel free. Okay. And for the guys who helped me out with this, I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. To be continued.